Where are we going today?
Okay.
Ryder, where are we going today? To Waveland Beach. Yep, we're going to Waveland Beach.
Arrive at Waveland. Arrived.
Look at the camera. Yay! This one's mine. Hold up, babe. She's wrapped around.
No, do 10 more scoops.
How do I get it? Oh. And where's mine?
I gotta plate it. I'm just, look.
Doesn't Mike have one bite of that?
Well, this one's mine. This fair enough. Here, here's another piece of bacon for you.